What's up guys, back at it again with another video about the Jordan 33s. It's my third video, but I feel like people will benefit from this one. I'm just comparing these colorways, just because I know this one isn't too accessible in stores in some areas in North America. I know in Toronto it's pretty tough to find these. These you can probably find pretty easily. I'm going to throw them both on later on in the video. Excuse me. And you can see how sick they look on feet together, differently, with one white shoe and one funky shoe. As you can see, this colorway is a little bit crazy. The style of the sneaker is basically the same. The boxes are identical. You can check out my other videos if you're interested in that. They both have a skeleton bottom, so you can see inside. They both work about the same. Ultimately, they're both pretty nice shoes. This is a much more comfortable colorway for some people because it's clean, it's not silly, there's not like a lot of different funky colors going on. That's obvious. Tell me what you think, playing basketball in funky sneakers or normal sneakers. What do you prefer? Does the color even matter? All that matters is the grip and the comfort, I guess. I don't know, to each their own. I go with Kyrie 2s when playing ball. I have some idea from wearing these for a couple minutes of how good they are. In my experience, I've been pretty good at telling how good basketball shoes are by wearing them for just a couple minutes inside my house or even in a store. For me, these will probably be pretty good, but I'm not going to use them, to be perfectly honest with you. I'm too in love with my Kyrie 2s. But I think they will make reasonable basketball shoes as long as they fit you correctly. I'm going to throw both of them on in just 1 second here, and you'll see how they look together. So on foot, as you can see, they both look pretty interesting. One shoe is obviously way more outlandish than the other. All in all, I think they both look reasonable. I don't think these look too silly, to be honest. I think they look kind of nice. Let's just get that one out of there for a second. Let me know what you think in the description below, in the comment section, excuse me. Ultimately, both reasonable colorways. Lucky to have them, or lucky to get them if you get them. Not sure I can keep both of these. I do like the speckle on this one. That's a huge difference, as opposed to just a solid base right here on the inside. Ultimately, both these sneakers are fire. Just to each their own in deciding the colorway. This is the OG colorway, so it might do better over time in value. Although this is a brand new number Jordan, they don't usually resell that well. I'm pretty certain there's going to be a Russell Westbrook player exclusive with these that comes out at some point. That might do really well. Try and get your hands on those from your nearest Nike town, maybe. Pretty fire sneakers. Thanks for watching. Goodbye. Let's get the thumbnail. Alright, see you later.